It only comes when you are real and authentic and you don't follow the trend.
Content creation has become engineering right now.
Yeah.
Smart answer.
Hi everyone, I'm Siddharth Nigam.
Hi, I'm Parul Gulati, and IMDb has brought us here to ask each other anything.
Meet Viraj, Big Box के घर का सबसे सुधरा हुआ लौंडा.
मैं भी एक इन्फ्लुएंसर हूँ.
Like you say, acting at such a young age, right? You've been a gymnast, you have also been a great dancer, you work out, you act really well. If you had to pick from out of these one thing as a main profession, what would you pick?
Acting.
And why so?
Because I think being an actor is itself a big thing, because as an actor you just can't only act. You have to learn dancing, you have to learn singing, also you have to learn music, any instrument. And this thing, Salman sir has told me this thing when I was doing Ashoka. So that time when I went for the promotion, he told me that as an actor you should know everything, because you never know what character you will get, and then you have to do it. So just be prepared always. So जब आपने Blue Tick की script पढ़ी, so tell me what was that one scene था कि यार ये scene जल्दी से और I want to perform this scene because you just love that scene.
It was during the audition time. जब audition दिया था, then only they gave me one scene. I didn't get the whole script. None of us got the whole script when we gave the audition. That audition scene in itself was when Pallavi is creating her Instagram account. She's just recorded a reel. It's one of the reels she records, which eventually comes around in the Satto Auntie Wala. So I record that, and then me and Ritu, which is played by Shreya Gupta, we are planning to upload it, create an account which is Happy Soul Pallavi, which you end up seeing in the trailer. That's the moment, that's the turning point of the script. So that's what I auditioned, and when we were shooting it, I think we shot on the 10th or 11th day of once we started. I was really looking forward to that particular scene because it was very close to my heart.
But what actually happened when you were shooting this scene?
Me just reminiscing the first time I created my Facebook account, I think.
Back days.
Yeah, Rohtak mein, when I created my first Facebook account, I remember it was for the first time. Back in the day on social media, you won't put up your own photos, and especially being a girl, my mother was very protective of me ki tum apni photos mat dalna, because you know, they don't know what new, social media was so new at that point. And I had this line also, कि पहले मम्मी से पूछ लेती हूँ कि मम्मी क्या कहेंगी, फिर कल account बना लेंगे या कल video डाल देंगे. So I end up saying this to Ritu.
So did you also improvise your dialogues, because as you have...
I think me and Ritu had a great camaraderie on set, me and Shreya. We ended up having a banging time where we were adding to each other, which was very good. It was like a great collaboration working with Shreya. She's amazing.
You tell me कि what is that one challenge जो एक social media influencers जो होते हैं वो face करते हैं और वो किसी को नहीं पता होता.
I believe people kind of know about it, but still not many speak about it. It's that constant need to look perfect and talk about perfect things, and not, like for example, just before starting the interview I was just like, okay, I hope my stomach is looking flat, or there's no paunch that is being seen. I mean, it's so ingrained in us that we know we are in the public eye, whether it's through social media or something. We all want to put out a perfect picture, paint a perfect picture for everybody, which is sad also, but I think it's so highly ingrained in all of us at this point, which is unavoidable. But imagine, I just read this somewhere, imagine if women woke up and they decided that they love themselves as is, how many businesses will shut down, which is true.
Yeah.
Probably mine too. Another question is that from Blue Tick, from the sets of Blue Tick, what is that one moment, one thing that you remember and you cherish and you would like to pick?
All the moment in which Pallavi was there with Viraj. Yeah.
Smart answer.
Parul was there with Siddharth. Small story. I wanted to have a coffee and I was asking her, please suggest me a good coffee. So she just directly ordered for me, and she, came to me and she gave that coffee to me. That was a very sweet gesture. So thank you so much for that.
Welcome.
If you have to choose between acting and entrepreneurship, which one you will choose?
Acting, because I feel as an actor, we are constantly selling, right? We are entrepreneurs in ourselves. Like, there's no two ways about it.
Yeah.
I mean, only reason why I could start business is because I had been an actor, and I was auditioning, and I had listened to no's so many times, like no, not fit, no, not fit. So when I started the business, that will to never give up is something that I got from being an actor. I learned so many things that I've learned being an actor. If I had just been an entrepreneur, I think I would have failed. You became a household name at such a young age, right? So what were the perks of it, and what are the challenges that you faced around that time or still facing?
I think when you start acting from a very young age and then, you know, transforming yourself to an adult actor, it becomes little difficult for you as an actor, because people typecast you. They say you know, child actor. And as I've been acting from a very young age, so like my first show when I was doing Ashoka after Dhoom 3. So even after Dhoom 3, when I did Ashoka, it went, you know, so popular that people started calling me Ashoka, and they also typecast me there. So it was very difficult for me to transform every time I choose any project. So for that particular time has always become very tough for me, that transforming period. Do you think social media has become very important, very necessary for an actor or for anyone to become successful?
I won't say successful. Success can come from any medium for anybody. First, you could be successful, but it's important to stay relevant. I genuinely feel social media plays a good part. Like how we hire PR to stay relevant. Same way, if you've done something successful, and then how do you even maintain? Because then you need to keep people in the loop that that's what you do. And for that same reason, you joined social media, if I'm not wrong. You joined social media because you wanted to stay in touch with your fans
Audience.
or your audience, so that they know more about you.
Right.
So it is a game of relevance after a point, more than becoming successful. Yeah, what is that one thing that social media has enabled for you?
Adore to my fans.
Ooh, very smart, Siddharthian's
Yeah.
watching. He has, by the way, those of you who don't know, he has crazy fan clubs. They post about everything. They talk about every little thing he's mentioned in his story or anything. I think that's incredible.
Yeah, they just love me, and I think through social media I am able to connect with them. They can connect with me. They can share me their thoughts. I can, you know, chit chat with them personally. So I think that's something social media has enabled for me. Okay, Parul, tell me any moment from the set of Blue Tick, hashtag Blue Tick, which only you know and nobody else.
I think what we know is that we both loved food a lot, and we were constantly planning where to order food from every day, because Delhi has the most tastiest food.
Yes, you can
any day.
order food from anywhere और अच्छा ही आता है.
And it used to be evening discussion, आज कहाँ से order करना है, let's order from this place, let's order from that place. And that had become an integral part of our shoot every evening. What were the things that you learned on the sets of Dhoom 3 that you were able to use in Blue Tick, if there were any?
Well, I feel very fortunate that at a very young age, I got a chance to work with Amir Khan sir, the perfectionist. So definitely, आज भी जो भी मैं perform करता हूँ या फिर जब मैं act करता हूँ, तो मैंने कभी acting classes नहीं ली, कभी मैं theatre में नहीं गया. So I think it's जो मैंने सीखी थी acting के बारे में, you know, that theoretical knowledge, थोड़ा practical knowledge, set पे कैसे रहना है, तो वो सारी चीज़ें I think कहीं ना कहीं मैंने धूम 3 में ही सीखी है. वहाँ पे मेरी बहुत अच्छे से workshop हुई थी. And also Amir sir told me one thing, very good thing, जो आज भी मैं use करता हूँ. And that one thing is कि जब आप act कर रहे होते हो ना, before action you be whatever you want to be Siddharth Nigam, do whatever you want to do, but when the director says action, and when you're performing that character, forget Siddharth Nigam. You are performing that character, just be in that zone, be in that character. If that character has to lie down, लेट जाओ, मतलब खो जाओ, then only you will be able to act and communicate through your eyes. So जब आप perform कर रही थी scenes, तो आपने कोई सीन करते वक्त कभी ऐसा सोचा कि यार ये तो मेरे साथ हुआ था and I am performing the same scene right now? That Delulu you say, right?
For me, as some of you, like how you know, I got selected from Facebook, and that's how I came to Mumbai and became an actor. So social media was my gateway to, or my ticket to Bollywood. Same way I feel that for Pallavi, the social media becomes her ticket to Bollywood, and that's how she's using social media. In my case, it just so happened So the whole process of when my character is creating content or trying to get that validation, I think that happens when you're just starting out and you so want people to recognize your talent as an actor, which she's using as social media. I think that's something I could resonate with. Our show is about becoming really big through social media, but you've worked with really big actors this country has who made it without being on social media. What's your take on that?
I think if you see both the personality, whenever they walk in, the kind of aura they have, the kind of stardom they have, it only comes when you are real and authentic and you don't follow the trend. You make the trend. So I feel like Salman sir and Shah Rukh sir, they both are not the trend followers. They are the trend setters. That is what sets them apart. And also social media में जो लोग जो कुछ भी करते हैं वो सब हम लोग खुद सलमान सर NSR के सर को follow करके ही करते हैं. So they are not in this game. So I would just suggest everyone don't compete with them.
What is that one thing that you'll never do for social media validation?
Genuinely, I've always believed in myself कि whatever I am, I just have to be real and I just have to do good work, good projects. I just want to work with good directors, writers, producers, makers, so that I can deliver good projects to my audience. And I think that is something I always think about. I never think कि मुझे validation के लिए कुछ करना पड़ेगा. तो मैं कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं करूँगा जिससे कि जिसमें मेरी जान खुद की जान में जोखिम में डालूँ. Yes, मैं फिल्म के लिए वो चीज़ भले कर लूँ, but not for the social media. I won't do anything which influence people in a bad way just to become viral. I won't do any kind of thing जो कि गलत हो.
Fair enough. Good one.
Okay, as you are a very successful entrepreneur also. So after the success of Niche here, are you like planning to also open a production house and make films?
As an actor or as an entrepreneur, I feel what I do is I sell a story more than a product. It's always a story that's working. So I want to make stories. I want to make stories that I can relate with, and if I can produce, I do have some things in my mind.
I'm sure you can produce.
I mean, I can, but you also need to be. You have to have that bandwidth. Like right now I'm already struggling to make a name as an actor, or even as an entrepreneur. I'm trying to prove constantly that this is what I'm doing, trying to reach more people. Maybe at one point where I feel little stable, that if I can take 6-7 months prepping a project or setting up a project from scratch and doing casting and all those things which are the taxing part, almost being missing for a year, because making a project is not easy. That's why you're a very
successful entrepreneur, because before you start anything, you study, you plan, and then you take action.
Thanks.
That is the truth. Parul, tell me that you are a content creator and you are playing the role of a content creator. So what do you think कि क्या लोग content creation को अपना career बना सकते हैं and they can choose this path?
I have something controversial to add to it. I feel content creation has become engineering right now. Because everyone's wanting to be a content creator, and they are, and they're so successful. Because these people have figured out that they can be a finance influencer, food influencer. Point is that you can see your future there. You can be a people are starting their social media agencies right now and acquiring micro, mini influencers. And those who have it in them, they stick. Do you use IMDb, and how do you use it?
I have a proper IMDb app.
Pro? I do have IMDb Pro. I also have IMDb Pro. Because it also enables you to make so many changes and add credits if you haven't added credits somewhere.
Also, give you a good information
access.
Also. Good information about anyone.
It was fun interacting with each other and asking each other questions.
Yeah. Our show is 19th of July, so don't forget to watch our show only on Epic On.
#BlueTickVerified. Please contribute to trivia, reviews and ratings on imdb.com.